Hey guys, it's Shane from Yiannimize, and today it's all about that car right there. You know that's my Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster. I took it on the Yiannimize Grand Tour. It was in like a flip colour. The original colour is green underneath, but today it's going. Watch this video. So when I say it's going, what does that mean? It means I've sold her. She's gone. There she is. I've had some real good times with this car. As I said, I've done the Yiannimize Grand Tour. Me and 50 Cent were rolling around Barcelona in her. The number plate has been removed off the front. The number plate has been removed off the back. She's now back to an 18 reg car. She's got the full Nero Body Kit. So what does that include? That's all the carbon, so the big carbon spoiler. The Nero wheels. The Nero side skirts. And of course, the Nero front splitter. So this car had a load of carbon, including the inside. As I said, it's originally green. It's got carbon everywhere. The customer phoned me last night. He said to me he's looking for an Aventador S Roadster. I said, do you want to buy mine? I said, mine's not normal, it's got the kit on it, it looks better than the standard ones. And he was like, I want it, I'll send you the money in the morning. I know this customer well. He's had quite a few cars where if you click here, you can see I think 1 or 2 or 3 of his videos. He's had Porsche Panamera wrapped in gold, A45 wrapped in gold, Bentley GTC wrapped in gold, Range Rover wrapped in gold, R8 wrapped in gold, and a Lambo Gallardo that got wrapped in gold, and then it went whoosh, caught fire. So yeah, so the new owner is a guy called Lack. And yeah, you know, a lot of people will call me and say to me, I want to buy your car. A lot of people talk. I didn't think he was a talker, but you never know until the money hits your account. Yep, she's gone. He's on his way down now. We're still on lockdown, so obviously I'll leave the key on the windscreen. He can take it. I'll probably shoot a video from a distance, but he's coming down now to take her away. I've still got obviously my G-Wagon. I've still got my Aventador SV Roadster. So do I drive that? Am I going to buy something else? I don't know. Anyway, he's on his way down now. Have a look at my car. Also, I'll show you some of my best bits with this car. So have a look at these. Now literally haven't even had a chance to clean her. She is a little bit dirty, but he said I don't care, I just want her today. I'm pretty sure he's not going to keep her in satin black, and when I do strip her back to green, I'm pretty sure he's not going to leave her in green. I wonder what car he's going to wrap her in. But for now, he wanted her today, so today you can be Batman, you can be Bruce Wayne. So the owner has just turned up, and there he is, Mr. Lack.
Hello guys.
So obviously we're keeping our distance, 2 meters. He's come with his little teddy bear dog. Look at that dog. What dog is that?
It's a Chow Chow.
It's a Chow Chow. So that is Lack's new car. Talk to me, is that a dream?
I never actually thought I'd ever have this car. Dreams have come true today. I'm just so happy. I can't believe I've got this car. And it looks so much better in person.
How, just quickly, let's just tell them, yeah? Last night, you call me and you say to me, Jan, Aventador, are you selling it? And then today you transfer the money.
Yeah.
And then you just come and collect the car.
I was trying to transfer the money before even seeing it. But I couldn't because I lost my card reader. Otherwise I would have paid for the car without seeing it regardless. And I insured it last night. And even Yanni was thinking like, who does, like, that's weird.
Yeah, he insured the car first. And to be fair, I wasn't 100% sure he was going to buy the car, but he knows the car's good. It's my car, so when it's my personal car, everyone knows the car's always good. For now, you're keeping it in satin black?
For now, yeah. We'll see what we do, but I love it how it is. Like,
you're the gold man.
Yeah, but none of my cars are gold anymore. I've unwrapped every single car, so we might go to another colour. People can suggest what they want and we'll see what they say.
Guys, comment down below, and Lack, congratulations.
Thank you.
You made it happen, you paid for it. If you didn't pay for it, I'm not letting him take it. That's his car, and goodbye to my Lambo, to Lack, and the teddy bear.